Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Facebook sometimes hides the Add Friend button because of privacy or account type rules. I will explain the common reasons clearly and simply. First, pages and follow-only profiles do not show Add Friend, they show Follow instead. Second, your account settings can limit who can send you friend requests. Third, safety or automated restrictions may temporarily remove the button from your profile. Now we will check your profile type, review friend request settings, and change visibility as needed to restore the Add Friend option. Open the Facebook app and tap your profile avatar to access profile settings. Scroll to Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings to open all account options. Tap Profile Settings and confirm your account type is personal rather than page or public figure. Next, tap Privacy, then Friend Requests and change who can send friend requests to everyone if you want visible Add Friend. Save settings and refresh your profile. If Add Friend still does not appear, check for temporary restrictions or app updates and follow the next steps. On desktop, open Facebook. And click the profile menu at top right to access settings. Choose Privacy from the left column and click Who can send you friend requests to set it to everyone. If your profile is set as a page, go to Settings and switch back to a personal profile type. If the Add Friend button remains missing, clear your browser cache and update your browser or app. Finally, check account support for temporary restrictions and submit a review request if needed to restore Add Friend.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.